2 arrested for vandalizing grave of Beyond lead vocalist Wong Ka-kui. Police arrested 2 people who vandalized the grave of Wong Ka-kui on Sunday. They were found recording themselves vandalizing the legendary frontman's grave in Tseung Kwan Chinese permanent cemetery by pouring coke and licking it off, along with using foul language to insult Wong Ka-kui. The video and photos went viral online, leading to the anger of both netizens and fans. The bald vandal was seen cracking the photo on the grave with a hammer, and kissing Wong's photo on the headstone. The man then doused himself with coke and asked the viewers to recognize him. The bald also vandalized the grave with a marker pen and stepped on the flowers that his fans had offered to Wong. In response, Beyond's guitarist and vocalist Paul Wong expressed his anger during an interview, asking, "Have they been caught?" Drummer Yip Sai-wing also condemned the act on social media, stating, "What happened to Ka-kui's grave today is utterly despicable. These 2 individuals have been arrested and must face legal consequences."